আমি রয়েছি মির্চি সায়নের সঙ্গে রয়েছেন মিস্টার অখিল আগরওয়াল, ওনার অফ গজরাজ গ্রুপ, Gajraj Hyundai, Kia, TVS and Wealth Business. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming. How are you?
I'm very good. Thank you for calling me. It's an honor. It's a pleasure.
Okay, sir. So, Gajraj Hyundai has built a strong presence in Kolkata and Hooghly. So, what do you think has been the biggest driving factor behind this journey of trust and recognition?
There are a lot of factors, obviously, but if you ask me for the biggest factor, I would like to talk about the one factor which I keep telling my team, which is customer first. Because the whole organization has to be built around a nucleus or a center. So for us, our center is customer. If customers are satisfied, you can get more customers, and if you get more customers, the business runs.
Winning 3 national sales awards in 2020, it's a very, very, very big achievement. Okay, so what do these awards mean to the team, and how do they motivate you to keep raising the bar?
In 2020 was our first full year of operation.
Okay.
And 2019 we started, and that year we not only won 3 national awards. Next year we were Platinum Club dealer, and it was very rare that a new dealer was awarded a Platinum Club. The national sales head called me, and he told me that Akhil, when a new dealer settles in the first year and starts making profit or settles down, starts meeting the target, we pat our own back. So the national sales head is saying वो अपनी पीठ खुद थपथपाते हैं that they have hired a very good dealer. But when you won one award, it's a history, and you guys, Gajraj Hyundai team, won 3 national awards. It was a kind of a miracle and history, and they were very delighted. So it was only possible because of our positive attitude and my team, and those people are still with us, and they only turned into Gajraj what Gajraj is today. So that was the reason we got those awards. Having faith in the business, having faith in the city, having faith in our people.
The automotive sector is highly competitive. We all know that about. How does Gajraj Hyundai stand out from other dealerships in terms of customer experience?
So customer experience, as I said, is the single most important priority for our dealership, is customer satisfaction. What we try to do is we follow the OEM, the manufacturer's guidelines to the T. So the right infrastructure, right sofa, right lighting, right everything, trained manpower in uniform, right set of stock. So my promise to the customer is that if you want any car, any color, if it is in Calcutta, it has to be in Gajraj.
बेस्ट डील के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
बेस्ट डील में जैसे अभी आते अभी आपसे बात हो रहा था जीएसटी, फ्रॉम 22 सितंबर जीएसटी रेट कम हो जाएगा, तो आज से लेके 22 तारीख तक तो कस्टमर खरीदेगा नहीं. तो हमने क्या किया है, व्हाट वी सेड इज कि बॉस, जो 22 तारीख का प्राइस लिस्ट है वो हमारे पास है, वो हमने अनाउंस कर दिया है, पब्लिश कर दिया है, और आज का प्राइस लिस्ट हमने दे दिया. जो डिफरेंस है वो हम एब्जॉर्व कर रहे हैं. सो कस्टमर इज नॉट एट लॉस. आप पूजा में गाड़ी लीजिए और खूब घूमिए, पूजा एंजॉय कीजिए.
So buying a car is often an emotional decision for families. Yeah. So do you have a memorable customer story that reflects the Gajraj Hyundai experience? Any story?
I would not like to talk about customer story. I would like to talk about my story.
Yeah, sure.
Every year it happens in Dhanteras, but last year we had 88 deliveries. 88 car customer are going to come, take the car and take away. So we have a delivery area in Sector 5 Salt Lake Advanced Infinity building. We have one delivery bay. So we have a nice light, and we have a backdrop and music. But if you have to do 88 deliveries and each customer would like to take 5-7 minutes, 10 minutes, you don't have so much time, and most of the people have a particular slot. So we created 2 such delivery bays. We put up lights, and it is such a nice moment. You have so much work, and there are a lot of delivery boys, and I love standing there. वो कुछ छोटे बच्चे आते हैं, दे आर जंपिंग, मतलब इतना अच्छा लगता है. कई बार गाड़ी गंदा होता है, तो आई स्टार्टेड टेकिंग आउट माई हैंकरचीफ एंड क्लीनिंग द कार, एंड माई टीम इज सेइंग, अरे बॉस, मतलब हमारे 500-600 एम्प्लॉइज हैं, और वो बोल रहे, बॉस आप गाड़ी साफ कर रहे हो. मतलब आपको ना, यदि आप वहाँ खड़े रहेंगे तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि उस बच्चे का ड्रीम के साथ आपका ड्रीम मर्ज हो गया है.
How does your service team ensure that every customer feels taken care of even after the car is sold?
Look, buying a car is not a minute's decision. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कि आप बाजार में गए, कपड़ा देखे,
हाँ.
पेमेंट किया, लेके आ गए. Buying a car starts, it's a long process. It starts with someone making up a mind. Booking, inquiry से booking when they book some, they pay some 10-15,000 and book a car. से booking से retail or registration to delivery is a journey. Post delivery, car is handed over to the workshop team. 2 महीने के अंदर उसको एक फर्स्ट सर्विस होता है जो गाड़ी को चेक वेक करते हैं, कोई इशू नहीं है. देन 1 year down the line सेकंड सर्विस होता है. Our teams are always in touch with the customer. We have a WhatsApp group. If customer wants to write anything, they can be in touch. Our promise is that we give everything in writing. There is no confusion. So if I'm going to give a foot mat free or a idle perfume free, we put everything in writing. We keep communication clear.
So you are expanding into a new segment with the upcoming Kia Motors showroom on EM Bypass.
Yes.
So what excites you the most about this new venture?
And we started this Rath Yatra Day, 27th June. What is exciting is that the best part is that on EM Bypass, on right hand side, if you go from Kolkata towards Baraipur, right hand side is Hyundai, left hand side is Kia. So before Metro Cash and Carry, on main road, bang opposite each other, we have our 2 showrooms. Very prominent, very visible. Target customers are the same. So I am very excited because this gives more strength to our group, and products are very good, so we are very proud to sell. And customers also are getting a lot of choice. Many times customers are very happy with us and they say कि boss गाड़ी तो आप ही से लेना है. So it is customer's choice. Obviously I don't push. It is customer's choice. But we are happy to offer them variety.
So with Kolkata evolving into a modern metro city, how do you see customer preferences changing in the next 5 to 10 years?
Next 5 to 10 years, I think things would definitely evolve. In my view, EV will be very big. I think most housing societies will have a lot of charging facility. Malls would start having charging facility. Government offices would have started charging facility.
So my last question is, dealerships today are not just about cars, but also about being responsible community partners. So does Gajraj Hyundai have initiatives in sustainability, road safety or social responsibility that you would like to highlight?
So Gajraj Group definitely understands its responsibility, corporate social responsibility, and in this regard every year we do a blood donation camp. तो उस दिन हम लोग हर साल ब्लड डोनेशन करते हैं, हेल्थ चेकअप भी करवाते हैं एम्प्लॉयज़ का और हमारे बिल्डिंग आसपास के अंडर प्रिविलेज लोगों का. प्लस हम ट्री प्लांटेशंस काफ़ी कराते हैं बिकॉज ऑटोमोबाइल इनिमेट्स लॉट ऑफ स्मोक एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. सो प्लांटेशंस हम करवाते हैं और आज ही हम 101 पेड़ का प्लांटेशन कराया है सुभाष सरोवर पार्क में अपोजिट हयात on EM bypass. So we do plantations and everyone was so happy. So CSR you have to do. It is not just a responsibility, it is your duty because you are taking so much from the society, so much from the environment. So you have to give it back. Otherwise वही होगा जो अभी आप देख रहे हैं उत्तराखंड और हिमाचल में हो रहा है, फ्लड्स है, तो सोसाइटी को आपको देना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो सोसाइटी खुद ले लेगी.
পুজোর মরশুম এখন শুরু হয়ে গেল, টানা উইন্টার অবধি এখন চলবে ফেস্টিভ সিজন. কাজেই ডেস্টিনেশন খুব ক্লিয়ার. কাজেই যে কোনো গাড়ি হোক যেগুলোর আমি বললাম বা স্যার বললেন, গজরাজ গ্রুপ দ্য ওয়ান অ্যান্ড অনলি ডেস্টিনেশন. থ্যাংক ইউ.
Thank you.